If you own a smartphone and use WhatsApp, then you definitely don't want to miss out on this update. This on-tap strategy is how most newbies make way more money than some internet gurus out there without even knowing half of what they know. No fancy website, no expensive software, no stress. With just WhatsApp, you can build a high converting niche funnel that's gonna pay you way more than Google Ads. You still don't believe me? Don't take my word for it. Just watch and implement this update. So basically, the first thing you need to do is to pick a niche. There are dozens of niches you could pick from, but the niches that perform excellently well with this method are the health niche, the wealth niche, the self-help niche, the spirituality niche, and the relationship niche. Under these niches, there are many sub-niches that you can further narrow down to. Niches like Forex, crypto, AI, marketing, freelancing, remote jobs, e-commerce, content creation, etc. So based on your personality and your learning curve, you can settle for any of the niches that I've mentioned. For this video, I will be picking the remote jobs niche. So moving forward, everything I'll be doing will be around remote jobs or freelancing. After picking a niche, the next step is to pick a premium bait, something that is highly sought after in your chosen niche. It could be a paid course, an ebook, a guide, a walkthrough, or a solution to a lingering problem in that niche. One of the biggest problems faced by freelancers or remote workers is getting more gigs or getting more clients. So my premium bait is free access to my $100 course on how to get clients through email marketing, plus access to my all-in-one email marketing software. After getting your premium bait, the next thing you need to do is to create your special WhatsApp link. This link will be used on your squeeze page. To do this, simply visit investorblack.com/Walink. On the Walink page, scroll down to where it says create your free link here. Add your WhatsApp business phone number, add a custom message for your visitors, something like this. Next, you need to download WhatsApp Business Gold. WhatsApp Business Gold is a special kind of business WhatsApp with many advanced features that will help boost your productivity in marketing. You can download it by visiting investorblack.com/WhatsAppBGold. Next, click on the yellow download button. You will be redirected to another page. Simply click on the blue download button as well to download the app. Next, install WhatsApp Business Gold on your Android phone. After installing WhatsApp Business Gold, you need to create an auto response for the custom WhatsApp message you created on Walink earlier. It should look like this. In this custom message, as you can see, I simply acknowledge my target audience and gave them a list of instructions they had to follow to get their promised package. Steps like saving me as a contact and commenting done. Now that this is done, let's create our squeeze page. You can create your squeeze page with system.io or a WordPress plugin if you own a WordPress site. To get system.io, simply visit investorblack.com/system and set up a free account with them. Since I own a WordPress site, I'll be using WordPress plugin method. If you don't own a WordPress site and you want to create one, simply click on the video popping up at the top right corner of your screen to watch a step-by-step tutorial on that after this video. I'll be using a WordPress plugin called Hustle Pro for this tutorial. You can use other WordPress plugins like MailChimp, Gravity Forms, and Bloom to create this kind of form as well. I will leave the link to the above mentioned softwares in the description of this video. To download Hustle Pro plugin, simply go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins and click on Add New. Search for the keyword Hustle, then install and activate the Hustle email marketing plugin. Now that you've installed Hustle, it's time to create your squeeze page. The major advantage of a squeeze page is that it helps you to collect information about your prospects and also allows you to automatically save their contact details, which you can import to your Google Contacts after making some modifications using Google Sheets or Excel. I'll be showing you how to do all that in this video, so watch attentively. To create your squeeze page, simply hover over Hustle Pro, click on Embeds, click on create and then name your new embed. I will name mine freelancer list. After that, click choose a template and then choose to create from scratch. You will be taken to a page where you can customize your form. You can do a lot here, but I will just keep things simple. Under the title section, add the name of your package. Under the subtitle section, add a short description of your package. Under the image section, add a featured image and a background image. Click on the emails tab, click on the insert field button, click on phone, then click insert field again. A new field named phone number will be added. You can rearrange the fields by dragging. Next, delete the first name and last name fields. Click on the insert field button again and click on the name button. You should now have 3 fields: the name field, the email field, and the phone number field. Click the settings icon beside the name field, click on edit field button, click on the settings tab, switch from optional to required, and then click on apply to save the settings. Next, click on the settings icon beside the phone number field, click on the edit field button, and then change the label from phone number to WhatsApp number. In the placeholder field, type must include country code, e.g. +234. This is to make sure that they include their country code before their numbers. Next, click on the settings tab and also switch from optional to required. Then click apply to save. Click on the settings icon next to the submit button. Change the button text from submit to send me the package. Click on the apply button to save. Under the submission behavior section, choose redirect and then add the WhatsApp special link you created earlier. To get your special link, go back to the Walink website, click on preview and copy the URL. Next, go back to Hustle Pro and paste the copied URL. After that, click on the Appearance tab. Under Choose Layout, select Compact. On the left tab list, scroll down and click Behavior. Under Animation, select Bounce In and then click the Preview button to see what your form looks like. Close the Preview button and click Publish if you're happy with the result. After creating the form, you need to create a page to embed your form. You can simply do that by hovering over Pages on your WordPress dashboard and clicking on Add New. After that, add the title to your page. I'll call mine Your Package is Ready. Next, add the form you just created to the page. To do that, click on the plus sign, search for shortcodes, go back to the Hustle plugin page, click on the display option and copy the shortcode by clicking on the copy button. Go back to the page you're creating and paste the copied shortcode in the shortcode field. Then click Publish to publish your new page. Now that your squeeze page is set, you need to grow your niche audience. The fastest way to do this is through YouTube ads, but you can also get a reasonable amount of leads through content organic traffic. All you need to do is post reels, shorts, or TikTok videos and apply relevant hashtags. In all your posts, inform your target audience of your free giveaway and what they will benefit from it. Then include a call to action asking them to click the link in your bio to access your offer. When they click the link, they will end up in your squeeze page where they will be asked for their contact details and will be redirected to WhatsApp. After that, they will get an auto response with some set of instructions that you specified earlier in WhatsApp Business Gold. When they complete these steps, they will get their package and you will have one more eyeball viewing your WhatsApp status. Wait, before you crucify me, I know at the beginning I said no expensive software or fancy website. That is why I have also created this next video which shows exactly how you can get the same result without any fancy website or expensive software. It's completely free. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe.